Hey guys, I did my coevolution of plants and animals assignment on acacia ants and acacia trees. Acacia ants and acacia tree hosts are a great example of coevolution between plants and insects. So first off, what exactly is coevolution? It's the process in which species mutually affect one another's evolution. Two species develop a strong selection towards one another when they interact together. If one develops a new habit or changes an old one, the other adapts in response. Biological communities are organized through coevolution. Special relationships develop between species through this process. For example, predator and prey, pollinator and plant, and parasite and host. So, what are acacia trees? Their distinctive leaves are small divided leaflets with a feathery or fern-like appearance. The leaf stalks are vertical with thorns at the bottom. Ants use the hollow horns for nesting. These trees have small, fragrant flowers that are arranged in compact globular or cylindrical clusters. The flowers are typically yellow but sometimes white. They have many stamens and look fuzzy. Here is an example of yellow ones. They kind of remind me of those puffy, fuzzy balls that you can get at like Crafts 2000 for projects. Acacia species are important all over the world. A Senegal yields true gum arabic, the substance that is used in adhesives, pharmaceuticals, inks, confections, and other products. The bark is filled with tannin, which is used in tanning, dyes, inks, pharmaceuticals, and other products. A few acacias also produce timber. Here are just some examples of the trees. I thought they were really cool because you could really see the thorns and like the leaves here. And there are even little tiny ants on them, which I just thought was even cooler. And you can see how spiky they are. It's crazy. So what do they do for food? The tree provides two different sources of food for the ants, nectar and bellicin bodies. The acacia nectar is found on the leaf petioles. The trees are benefiting from more than just pollination because of the size and location. Bellicin bodies are proteins that the tree produces on new leaves. There is a bellicin body on the tip of each new leaflet when it unfolds and expands. They are harvested by the acacia ants. The tree provides all the ants' needs with these sources of food and housing. And here's just a picture that shows you the ants feeding, which is real cool. So, what exactly are acacia ants? These ants protect the acacia trees. They are like the tree's bodyguard and live in the thorns of the tree. Ants are attracted to plant sap, which is full of sucrose. These ants digest the sucrose with an enzyme innervase, which all it does is breaks the sucrose down into smaller sugars. These acacia trees are coated with this enzyme that attracts the ants. And there's just another example of the thorns. And here's a picture of the ant, which it doesn't remind me of those little ants you see on the ground all the time. They're kind of cool. And what are like this tree's defense? The acacia trees receive defense from small and large herbivores. Acacia ants have one of the nastier stings in the world. It sends away or kills any insect that even brushes up against the tree, including a human. The ants are also very aggressive. They cut down any seedlings that sprout under their tree. The relationship between the acacia tree and acacia ants is mutualism. Both species benefit extremely well from each other. And here's just another picture of a tree. As you can see, there's nothing around this tree, so the ants are doing their job, I would say. And here is my works cited. I will have my PowerPoint uploaded with my video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask and let me know. Other than that, I hope you learned a lot and enjoyed. Thanks, guys.